Namaste and welcome everybody. I hope you all are keeping well. You have enjoyed your vacation, must have done something significant during this vacation. You must have done with your homework and all. And now it is the time, it is your turn, Standard 7. Standard 7, it is your turn to part take part in magazine. You are grown up, you have more skill to showcase. I would like to tell you one thing, that in this online teaching learning, you only have one way to present yourself. By what? By means of this mobile. You know, this mobile is a very powerful device. You can do wonders, not only play games, online games. It's very interesting, but it's very distracting as well. So staying focused is very important, and rather most important. You have to limit your time in gaming and all, but you must not limit yourself in creativity. Must not. Take active participation in this magazine. You are grown up. You can write poem, you can write story, you can write your experience, how you spent your holidays. Or this is rainy season, wonderful season, that you can you can write about rainy season. So this time the theme of the magazine is One Mahotsav. We have done last year also. So again we are going to do this. Is for your class. It was for the other class the last year, but this is the first time I guess you people are participating in One Mahotsav theme for the magazine. So what you can do wonders. You can do actually many things. It is up to you how you use your creativity, how far your creativity can go. You can sing a song with the plant, or you can take selfie with the plant. You can show your garden balcony where you have planted your trees, plant saplings. So you can do, not only that, you can draw, you can write slogans. There are so many things that you can do, right? So what you have to do, whenever you will be giving things for the magazine, you will post it to your class teacher or class group. You will be posting it to your class teacher or class group, and subsequently it will be given to the magazine department. Okay, so what you have to do is, when you are writing something, if you are writing something, please make sure that you are typing it. You must send typed writing with your name written below. Your name must be written below on the right corner. Previously also I have told many a times that your name should be visible at the right corner, right bottom corner of your creativity, whether it is drawing or painting or sketches or your writings. Fine. Number one, this thing. And number two, on 11th it is World Population Day. So you can take up this topic also, World Population Day, why it is celebrated and why it is observed. Apart from that, rainy season. Okay? Rainy season you can take up, number of things can be done. You can sing song as well. And third, most interesting, craft and origami. So if you are good at craft, show your craft work to get published, to see the world, to promote yourself and be active participant in the school activities. Fine. Apart from this, what you can take up? You can take up environment, health, hygiene, online teaching learning. There are a number of things that you can do, and please do. It's important that you stay active mentally and physically. Okay, so all the best. All the students of Stand 7 must take part. It's very important for your growth. Thank you.